Hello friends, welcome to the TechLizen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Lenovo ThinkVision P25i-30 or 24.5-inch IPS LCD monitor. So friend, Lenovo announced the release of the ThinkVision P25i-30 or 24.5-inch IPS LCD monitor, and it features a three-side narrow bezel design and delivers a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, and it supports a 100 Hz refresh rate and has a response time of 4 milliseconds in extreme mode. The display can produce 16.77 million colors and covers 99% sRGB, 99% recurring, 709, 83% DisplayPort color space, making it suitable for tasks requiring precise color accuracy. And for eye care, the monitor incorporates technology to reduce eye strain, such as an automatic blue light filter, neutral low blue light technology, which maintains color authenticity, and flicker flip feature to minimize screen flickering. Connectivity options include HDMI to DisplayPort input, 1D sub, 4 USB 3.2 Gen1 Type-A ports, and headphone jack. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it will come with estimated price of approximately $250. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.